Power, efficiency, adaptability. CyrusOne presents IntelliScale, the next evolution in data center technology. Developed in collaboration with leading tech and industry experts, IntelliScale optimizes every aspect of data center design, addressing land use, mechanical, and electrical efficiency. IntelliScale offers seamless scalability, supporting cabinets from standard low-density racks to ultra-high-density 300+ kilowatt configurations. It ensures smooth operation even under the most demanding conditions, accommodating power densities between 400 and 2,000 watts per square foot for both current and future high-density needs. Cooling is at the heart of IntelliScale's innovation. As AI and other high-density applications demand more power, IntelliScale offers a range of advanced cooling solutions. Whether your deployment involves air-cooled servers, direct-to-chip liquid cooling, or immersion cooling, IntelliScale can support a mix of cooling strategies within the same facility. The industrial-scale cooling strategy exceeds today's standards, using larger, commercially available components to deliver CDU capacities up to 5 times greater than traditional systems, ensuring efficiency and reliability. The layout of IntelliScale is designed for extreme density deployments, maximizing physical space and enhancing cooling performance. Power is central to IntelliScale's architecture, with facilities ranging from 21 megawatts to over 100 megawatts. The system delivers efficient operation across different densities, ensuring scalability and cost efficiency. Flexibility is built in. Even during construction, IntelliScale can adapt to evolving requirements. This innovative design allows for operational adjustments when you need it. At CyrusOne, we're not just building data centers. We're building your digital future. IntelliScale by CyrusOne, where innovation meets infinite potential.